Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this video, I will uh, give tutorial about how to make a simple code in Pictoblox. So before that, you guys know what is Pictoblox? Pictoblox is an application for a beginner to learn code and use technology for make robotics, AI, and others. And you guys can use it in web their website Pictoblox, or you guys can download it and use it offline. Wait, it's still loading. Okay. Nah, in here I will show you how to make a simple code for Neopixel, and you guys can use it in Google Chrome. Uh, so before we start, Pictoblox will automatically ask what would you like to do and choose block coding. Just skip. And this is the appearance of the uh, Pictoblox. Click board in here and select Arduino Uno. After that, in here, in extension, we add and we search, just scroll and search for lightning. That is Neopixel. Okay, now let's make the code. First, change the stage mode to upload mode. And then in Arduino, take when Arduino Uno starts up, it means when we turn on the Arduino, we go to RGB Lightning and choose this one. And in here, I set the strip to 2 with 24 LED pixel on pin. It's depend by uh, where do you guys put the jumper on. If me, I put in the 4. Oh, uh, and if you guys use Neopixel, the circle one like this, Neopixel, like this one, you guys can use 24. But if you guys use like this one, the Neopixel, it's different. It's not 24. And after that, we go to the control and we take forever code in here, and then we go to RGB lightning again, and we can custom the uh, NeoPixel to be what? Oh, you guys can sign in, but I will just close. Yeah. In here, I will set RGB strip 1, strip 2. Yeah. Uh, if you guys already set to be strip 2, all the strip must be 2. But if you guys set the strip to 1, 3, 5, or others, you guys must to set it like the first one. So set RGB strip to all the pixel 1 color. I will choose blue like this. So if you guys use this code, the uh, the Neopixel will turn on to blue or green or yeah, whatever you guys like. But if you guys use color white like this, it will turn on to be the color, but the color that you guys choose, but it will change one by one, not immediately all. And if Twitter change, it will change, but will uh, like there is animation, not animation, moving around. The color will be moving around, move like uh, yeah, like that. And here I will choose color right, with two with color. I will choose pink. Nah, and delay 0.05 second. But you guys can change it whatever you like. I will change to 1 second so it will be a little slow. And then we can duplicate again and can change to tether chase or color wipe. It's depend by you guys. And we can change the color too. And don't forget, if you guys already set the color that you want, you must to put show RGB strip in the down, uh, in the last. Because why? Because if you guys didn't put that, it will not show anything. It didn't. It didn't show anything. Okay. If already like this, you guys can connect to the Arduino and yeah, can upload like can upload. You guys can click this, but because I didn't connecting to the Arduino, it's cannot. Okay, maybe that's all. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hopefully this can be useful. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.